Hi there, I'm Paul O'Neill and this is Charles Turner from BMW UK. We're here at the Goodwood Festival of Speed for the world premiere of the brand new BMW 2 Series Coupé. I can't wait to see this car.
So here it is, Paul. Let me introduce you to the brand new BMW 2 Series Coupé.
There goes the silk. Tell me more.
Well, Paul, this car will take the BMW Coupé heritage to another level. What with the new sportier aesthetics, its enhanced performance and enhanced driving dynamics. Its classic three-box design, rear-wheel drive architecture, compact dimensions really make it a true successor to BMW Coupés of the past.
What is going on underneath the power dome?
Well, under that power dome, Paul, is a six-cylinder, the legendary six-cylinder BMW engine. That will deliver 374 horsepower, 500 newton meters of torque, and combined with a 50-50 weight distribution, that will project this car from 0 to 62 in 4.3 seconds.
Wow, so some big numbers there.
Absolutely.
The front of the car looks exceptional. I'm looking at kidney grills. I'm thinking Nordschleife race cars of the past BMWs. I'm thinking everything.
First aspect you'll see when you approach this car is its wide, broad, sporty stance. It's lower than the predecessor, it's wider than the predecessor, and it really gives the car an imposing presence on the road. The power dome, as you say, hints towards its performance credentials, but then as we come forward, we'll see for the first time in a BMW model, the brand new BMW Turbine style kidney grills. Previously, we would use bars or mesh. We've dispensed with those, and what we have now are these active flaps, which essentially open and close dependent on the cooling requirements of the engine. As we go to the extremities of the front here, you'll see the adaptive LED headlights. Again, a hark back to icons of the past. They have the single bar LED lights. And then as we move down to the lower section of the vehicle, we have the Bmw Splitter, essentially providing more downforce on the front axle and increasing the traction at the front of the vehicle. So all in all, fantastic front end, very wide, very broad, providing that really planted stance on the road.
And the shoulder line is so prominent on the sides of the car. I love it.
Yeah, absolutely. Again, that harks back to the iconic coupes of the past, and particularly the 2002, which had that powerful shoulder line running the whole length of the vehicle. It really showcases the wheels, which on this car are the 19-inch, and again, really accentuate its broad stance.
Yeah, exactly. And we say broad stance, the rear is so broad and so wide. That's what we like to see, don't we, on BMWs, past and present.
Absolutely, yeah. Again, from the rear, you can really see those flared arches. It really points to the wide track of the vehicle, but also the sculpted 3D LED lights, again designed to push to the extremities to really accentuate the width of the vehicle. It naturally draws your eyes out, again, hinting at the width of the vehicle. And then as we go down the vehicle, a lot of use of width-inducing lines, again, to really draw your eyes out, down towards the trapezoidal tailpipes on the vehicle.
And we've spoken all about the exterior. Tell me more about that driver-centric cockpit in there.
Well, essentially the car, being that it's based on the 3 Series platform, really takes the interior from a 3 Series vehicle. But again, as you said, it is very much typical of a coupe, being very driver-focused, everything within easy reach. Highly specified inside, you have a digital cockpit, 12.3 inch, and then you have a centre information display, touchscreen enabled at 10.25 inch. All in all, really there to serve the driver and give him that experience and make him feel enclosed.
I'm well inspired. I think you've sold it to me. Tell me more about ordering one of these cars. When are they available?
Well, the cars are available to order from today, and with first customer deliveries happening in early 2022.
Super. Right, that's all I need to know. Everyone at home, you can actually see this car going up the hill later on today. Please tune in, and thanks for watching.